Hi, we will continue today our previous sessions. If you didn't see it, please check it. We already explained how to use NumPy and Matplotlib. So today we will discuss Pandas. We are using Pandas for a lot of things like data cleaning, the messy data, we will clean it and filter it. Also, we can analyze the data and make importing and exporting and make realigning of some data. This is normally we will use this library a lot in AI, so please concentrate with me. This is a very important session. Starting with installation of Pandas, we will make pip install pandas as usual, and I already installed it. So let's start with import the pandas as PD. Okay, and I will start importing our data which we will use today from this file. Okay, how to use your file you can put here and you can upload. This is my file. How to upload the file? We will use a variable. This is data, which we will put our data in pd.read CSV file, and we will put the path. How we will get the path? We will make copy path and we will put it here. Okay, CSV file, this is can be anything. We have a lot of things. Look, we have Excel, further FWF, HDF, HTML, JSON, or we have a lot of things. SQL, table, XML. We have a lot of extensions, so you can use yours. After importing this, okay, we have the data here. We have a function called, we have of course a lot of data, so I don't need to see all of the data. I need to see the first 5 rows. I will write dot head 5. Okay, this is will come to me the first 5 rows in the data. Okay, if I want to get the last 5, I will make tail. This is 2, let's make 7. Okay, it will give me the tail. If I want to make something random, I want to see sample inside it, I will write for him sample and I will write for him the number of the sample. It will be randomized. This is normally how we are seeing in the beginning our data. Okay, let's make some modification. We have new data. New data, I will import data, and I want to import the branch name and the country and net profit only. I don't need the remainings. Okay, then I will visualize it. I can normally tell him visualize it instead of make print. He will only take slice from my data and show it. If I want to slice the specific areas like we do before in the arrays, I will make the same concept. I will use iLock first. This is the function which I can get some specific areas in the data and manipulate with it. So I will use iLock, then I will write for him 0 and 50. This is the first 49 rows. Then I will tell him I want the columns from 1 to 3. Okay, so he will bring me 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, because we are adding 1 extra in the end, remember. If I want to make something new, I want to make additional column, I will write data, which is my data, and I will write the new name. It's ROI percentage, okay, equal. I want data expense, okay, and divided on data net profit. Okay, this is totally it's not correct, but I want just to tell you how to make manipulation of the data. Okay, then I will tell him only give me the head first 5. Okay, he will write for me ROI percent, and he will divide the expenses on the net profit. If I want to save my data, I will write for him new data to CSV, okay, and I will type the new name and I will run. So lastly, if I want to save this data, how I will make it, I will write new data to CSV, okay, and I will write the data name, the data file I will put. Okay, now he give me correct. If I will put here, this is the new data. If I want to open, he will give me branch name, country, everything here. If you like this video and want to see more, please give me a like and subscribe. If you have any comment or you have any problem, please comment below. If you want to see the previous videos, please check the playlist. I have a Python playlist and I have this playlist for AI Python. Thank you for watching and see you next time.